Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll help you compare Devonthink and Obsidian to see which personal knowledge management (PKM) software might suit you best in 2025. Let's start with Devonthink. Devonthink is ideal for users who want a powerful database-style approach. You can store, organize, and search documents efficiently. It excels at handling large volumes of files, PDFs, and scanned documents. Devonthink also offers advanced AI features to automatically categorize your notes and suggest connections between ideas. On the other hand, Obsidian focuses on linking notes in a network-style system. It's perfect for users who prefer building a web of interconnected ideas, creating a graph of knowledge. Obsidian is highly customizable with plugins, Markdown support, and offline access, making it great for writers, researchers, and students who want a flexible PKM setup. Both apps have strengths, but if you prioritize document management, advanced search, and AI-assisted organization, Devonthink is likely the better choice for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.